So this is video number 2 for the Travel Vacations Workbook. We'll be working on the Places Sheet tab, and we'll be doing steps 12 through 16. Step 12, click the Places Sheet tab, convert the data to a table, and apply Table Style Medium 6. Now there are two ways. You could either select all of this data, or you could just click anywhere within the data. The system will automatically pick up the range of information that needs to be within the table. So I'll go ahead and click on the Home tab. Make sure you have either selected the data or clicked somewhere within the data. Go ahead and click the Format as a Table within the Styles group. We'll go down to the Medium section and we're going to locate Table Style Medium 6. Now the only one that has a Table Style Medium 6 has blue in front of it. I should have indicated that in the directions, but hopefully you were able to find it. This is the blue Table Style 6. We'll go ahead and click that. You'll get the Format as a Table dialog box. You'll be asked to indicate whether or not this is the correct data of range of information. Yes, it is. And you're also asked whether or not your table has headers. Our table does have headers. You'll see that in row 1. Make sure there's a check in that box and go ahead and click OK. Step number 13. On the Places worksheet, sort the data by city in alphabetical order, and then within city, sort by sightseeing locations in alphabetical order. So we'll need to do a custom sort. We want to sort the city by A through Z, and then within city, we want to sort sightseeing locations A through Z. So I'll go ahead and click on the Home tab. I'm going to go all the way to my editing group and click where it says Sort and Filter, and then left click Custom Sort. Here you'll do the custom sort. First, we'll go to sort by city. You'll want to make sure that it's set to A to Z, which is alphabetical order. If you wanted Z to A, you would go ahead and click that drop down arrow and choose that. Or if you had a custom list, you could do that as well. Go ahead and click Add Level, and then we'll do it by sightseeing locations. And again, that needs to be A to Z. And then go ahead and click OK. And you'll see that your city has been alphabetically done. And then within city, you'll see that it's alphabetically organized for sightseeing locations. Step 14. On the Places worksheet, add a total row to display the average of the time needed column. Apply number format with 0 decimal places to the total. So you'll want to make sure that your table is still selected. So you have your table tools on your ribbon. Go ahead and click on the Design tab. And then go ahead and click on Total Row, please. You'll see that you'll get a total down here for your time needed. We'll want to make sure that we click there because we've been asked to display the average. You automatically are given a sum total whenever you click that by default. So we'll have to click that cell D41 where the 2745 is. Go ahead and click the drop down arrow next to that and then select average. So average displays. You'll see that our average displays with a very lengthy decimal number, and we want to actually apply 0 decimal places as indicated in step 14. So you'll want to make sure that D41 is still selected. You can go up to the Home tab. There are a couple of ways you could do that. You could go ahead and go to the number group and decrease the decimal until there are 0 decimal places. You could come over to the Styles group and then select comma style here and then decrease that by 0 decimal places. Select this comma style with the 0 in the brackets, which indicates 0 decimal places. And the other option, if you're used to going the old-fashioned ways to open up the dialog box launcher, go ahead and click on number and then select 0 decimal places here as well. All work, all will take you to the same end solution. Step 15. On the Places worksheet, select the values in the time needed column, apply a conditional format to highlight cells containing values greater than 60 with a green fill and a dark green text. We did this in a previous lesson, so I'm going to go through this quickly. We'll go ahead and select D2 all the way down to D40, and you can go from D40 to D2. It doesn't matter. It'll still select the same data. Go ahead and click on the Home tab. And in the styles group, you'll left click the conditional formatting icon. We're asked to highlight cells containing values greater than. So we'll look at the highlight cell rule options, and within that, we'll select the one that says greater than. And then we're asked to do it for greater than values of 60 with the green fill and a dark green text. We need to change this number to 60. And we'll need to go ahead and over here, the drop down arrow for how we're going to highlight that data, select green fill with dark green text. And then go ahead and click OK. And step number 16. On the Places worksheet, apply a filter to display only fees that are less than or equal to 10. So when we set the data, converted the range of data to a table, you get these drop down arrows at the top where the table headers are. We're going to go ahead and click on the left click on the one that's for fee, and we want to do a filter. So we'll go to number filters here, and we're asked to choose a filter to display fees that are less than or equal to 10. So I'm going to scroll down to where it says less than or equal to. And here we'll go ahead and indicate 10. You'll see below that there's the and the or. It doesn't matter if it's less than or equal to, it's either or. So we'll go ahead and click this or option. The and indicates that it must have both. It must be less than and equal to. We don't want both. We just want either or, and we'll go ahead and click OK. And you'll see that all the values that display now in column C are either equal to 10 or less than 10.